Today we'll learn how to make math fun for our little learners using hands-on activities. Counting is an essential skill. Let's use vibrant counting cards to help our students master numbers 1 to 10. Encourage your students to count objects, whether it's toys, snacks, or even their friends. Let's roll the magic die. It's dice, but with an exciting twist. Roll it and ask your students to find that number of objects around the room to match the number they rolled. It's a captivating way to reinforce counting and number recognition. Shapes are all around us. Let's make shapes exciting by using these colorful shape blocks. Encourage your students to build creative structures and identify the different shapes they're using. Patterns are like magic. Watch your students' eyes light up as they recognize and complete these pattern cards. Patterns help strengthen critical thinking and logic skills. It's a great way to introduce foundational math concepts. Don't forget the power of a number line. Hang this vibrant number line in your classroom for easy reference. Encourage your students to use the number line to reinforce number order and learn about addition and subtraction. End each math lesson with a catchy counting song. Just make one up that relates to the day's lesson. Learning math can be fun, engaging, and full of magic for our pre-kindergarten students. Keep exploring and find more exciting ways to make math an adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging and educational content for teachers.